Water hyacinth spreads rapidly across wetlands.
Machines harvest the plants directly from the water. Freshly cut plants still carry water and roots. The harvested plants are transported to the processing facility. At the dock, cranes unload the harvested plants.
The plants enter the refinery for processing.
High-pressure water removes mud and debris. Rotating saws remove the plant roots.
Laser guidance ensures precise cutting.
Clean stems move to the next stage.
Rollers press the plants to remove excess water.
Blades open the stems for fiber extraction.
The stems split to expose their inner fibers.
Inside the stem is a natural honeycomb structure.
These pores allow the plant to hold and move water.
The stems are chopped into smaller pieces.
Auger grinders break the plants into pulp. Pressure squeezes out the plant liquid.
Compressed fiber forms a dense, sponge-like block.
The fibers move along parallel conveyors. Sensors measure the fiber's moisture level.
Rotating rollers separate and spread the fibers.
Robotic systems remove unwanted stems.
Multiple conveyors organize the material flow.
The fibers move deeper into the facility.
The fibers are lifted to the next stage.
Now the fibers begin to separate.
Needles bind the loose fibers together and automation moves fiber through every stage.
Chopped plant material feeds the next stage.
Large volumes of fiber continue through processing.
Vacuum systems transport the fibers. Vibration spreads the fibers evenly. AI systems inspect fiber quality.
Fibers enter a hot treatment bath.
High-pressure sprays wash the fibers.
Boiling treatment breaks down impurities.
Bleaching begins to lighten the fibers. steam pressure is safely released.
Hot water softens the fiber ribbons.
Robotic claws move the treated fibers.
Wastewater flows into the treatment system.
Filtration removes impurities from the water. Rollers press out remaining moisture.
Air bubbles help the liquid penetrate the fibers.
Bleaching turns the fibers bright white.
Clean water rinses the white fibers.
Laser scanners verify fiber purity. Soft white fiber collects for the next stage. The fibers enter a drying oven. The dried fibers exit the tunnel oven. The fibers tumble to loosen and separate. Fiber clumps spread inside the heated chamber. Microscopic treatment purifies the fibers.
Fibers flow toward the next process. Fibers drop into the next processing unit.
Carding rollers align the fibers. Spiked rollers open the fiber bundles.
Fibers wind smoothly onto the drum. Layers build as the drum rotates.
The fiber web is stretched and aligned. A continuous fiber rope forms and coils. Laser systems check rope consistency. Autonomous robots move the fiber containers. Robotic arms handle the fiber bundles. Rollers smooth the fiber mat. Fine fibers are evenly distributed.
Fibers collect inside a large chamber. Mesh drums release the separated fluff.
Digital scanners analyze the fiber mat. Rollers compress the thick fiber mat. Precision blades cut the fiber sheets. Robots handle the formed fiber blocks.
A test solution prepares for absorbency analysis.
The fiber block enters the test liquid.
The fibers rapidly absorb the liquid.
The saturated block shows strong absorbency.
Inside, the fibers distribute liquid evenly.
A pressure test checks material strength. The fibers compress under heavy pressure. Multiple layers form a thicker absorbent core.
Data confirms the fiber's absorbency.
The absorbent core is sealed between layers. High-pressure jets strengthen the fiber layers.
Water rinses the braided fiber rope.
A honeycomb pattern improves absorption. Final pressing bonds the material.
Vacuum systems remove remaining moisture.
The sheet passes through final drying.
The finished fabric is inspected.
Laser scanners detect any defects. Rotary blades cut the sheet into strips. Robots handle the finished fabric rolls.
The factory operates on a massive scale.
Precision molds form the final pad shapes.
Absorbent crystals enhance the material.
Fibers tumble to improve uniformity.
Fiber clumps spread inside the heated chamber. Microscopic treatment enhances fiber purity.
Fibers flow into the next processing stage.
Fibers drop into the next unit. Spiked rollers separate the fibers again. Close rollers align the fiber strands. The fiber web winds onto the drum. Layer by layer, the roll grows. The fiber web stretches into alignment. The fiber rope coils into storage barrels. Laser systems verify rope quality.
Autonomous robots transport fiber barrels.
Robotic arms handle the fiber bundles. Rollers smooth the fiber mat. Fibers are sprayed evenly across the surface. Fibers collect inside a large chamber.
Mesh drums release the soft fiber fluff.
Digital scanners analyze the fiber mat. Rollers compress the fiber mat. Precision blades cut the fiber mat.
Robots handle the fiber blocks.
A testing liquid prepares for analysis.
The fiber block enters the test solution.
The fibers rapidly absorb the liquid.
The saturated block demonstrates high absorbency.
Liquid spreads through the fiber network. A pressure test checks fiber strength. Fibers compress under heavy load. Machines build the absorbent layers. Data confirms the absorbent performance. The absorbent core is sealed between layers. High-pressure jets strengthen the fiber layers.
Water rinses the braided fiber rope. Oh.
A honeycomb texture improves absorbency. Final compression bonds the layers. Vacuum systems remove excess liquid.
The material dries inside the heated tunnel.
Softness tests confirm product comfort. Final scanners verify sheet quality. Rotary blades cut the sheet into strips. Robots move the finished fabric rolls.
The factory runs fully automated production.
Precision molds form the sanitary pads.
Absorbent crystals finalize the product.